Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, August 25th, and this is my analysis for the pound US dollar. And we're starting on the daily time frame because on the daily we had this nice big engulfing move up right at the 38% Fibonacci. Now, is that telling us that we're in an uptrend now and that this right here really is the end of a crescent and this is like a wave one, wave two, and we're in a wave three? It definitely may be saying that. We need to be a little bit careful because we were expecting to see a bigger push to the upside on the dollar index, which would cause a bigger push to the downside on this. Going down to like the 4 hour to 1 hour time frame, let's go all the way down to the 4 hour first. 4 hour time frame, I got my Fibonacci retracement on this move down. If I get a break of trend at a Fibonacci level, then I would definitely stop looking for longs. We do not have a break of trend at a Fibonacci level yet. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, I would be very cautious on this one. I mean, we technically should be looking for logs. So if it just keeps on making higher highs, higher lows, then great, we're looking for logs. If it makes a big engulfing move down at a Fibonacci retracement of this move down, then you probably could try it as a short. And then you would hopefully learn and earn whether it does an ABC like this and then turns back up, or whether it does a 1, a 2, and a 3, and it just keeps on making lower lows, lower highs. So we may actually get a sorting opportunity, and while we're short, hopefully we're going to learn and earn at the same time whether this move down that possibly is going to form is going to be a wave 3 or a wave C. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.